Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety is paramount. With your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum cleaner housing. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Place them in a small container to avoid misplacement. Next, gently pull the housing apart to access the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust buildup. It's a good practice to clean the internal components using a dry cloth before proceeding. This can help maintain the vacuum's performance. Once you have access to the internal wiring, locate the cable connection. You will see where the old cable is attached to the motor. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding wires. If you are unsure about this step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Now, prepare your new cable. Strip the ends of the new cable to expose the wires. You should see 3 wires, a live wire, a neutral wire, and a ground wire. It's essential to connect them correctly. Match the colors of the wires to the corresponding connectors on the motor. Typically, the live wire is brown, the neutral is blue, and the ground is green/yellow. Before making the connections, it's important to secure the wires. Twist the exposed ends together, and use electrical tape to cover the connections, ensuring that they are insulated and safe. Once the new cable is securely connected, carefully reassemble the vacuum cleaner. Line up the housing pieces and replace the screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure that they are tightened adequately, but be cautious not to strip them. After reassembly, plug in your Dyson HD01 and conduct a quick test to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter any issues, remember we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, we handle everything for you. Finally, if you prefer to have a quote before any repair work is done, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you keep your vacuum in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.